Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Insurance phrases. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Accident, insurance company. Approximate, rate of premium. Automatic, sprinklers. Bonus year of the company. Casual, employment. Claim for, compensation. Combined, accident and disease policy. Damage, by fire. Damage, to premises. Damage, to tires. Date and term of insurance. Dislocation of the wrist. Fire insurance. Immediate benefit. In full discharge of all claims. Incombustible materials. Insurance company. Interim bonus. Life insurance. Life policy. Loan on the policy. Medical examination. Morale of the risk. Motor car. Negligence of the chief engineer. Ordinary accident policy. Personal accident insurance. Personal injury. Policy is declared void. Policies are declared void. Proposal form received. Quinquennial valuation. Registered number of the car. Renewal of the policy. Responsibility of the company. Situation of the crane. Situation of the lift. Third-party indemnity insurance. Workmen's Compensation Act. Stop. Thank you.